The main reason I chose Ascentium Capital was because it was very easy and fast to get the loan I needed to build my store in 45 days. My name is Augusto Garcia, people know me as Gus. I'm the franchisee of Domino's Pizza in Western Mass. I own 6 stores, going to 8 now. I started at Domino's back in 1999 as a delivery driver. I worked my way up to management and supervisor. Then I was able to become a partner here in Springfield in Western Mass. After a few years as a partner, I bought my partners out and I became the solo franchisee of the store. Giving back to the community is something that my family and I have a passion into it. In 2022, we launched the program called Summer of Giving, where we pledged to donate $500,000 in food for people with food insecurity. We are very excited to continue helping the community because there is no other way of running a business if you don't help the community. In the middle of the pandemic, we went from 1 store to 5. We bought 4 more stores in Springfield. And a few years after, now we are buying 2 more stores, so we're going to be 8 stores. It was very easy transaction. I purchased all my makelines, all my walk-in coolers, the entire equipment for the store. Anyone else, it would take 45 days just to get approved. With them, it was much easier. It took 45 days to build the store and I was open. If you are a franchisee like me and you need to open your store fast, I would definitely recommend Ascentium Capital for your next build-up or reimage.